Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use the coffee umbrella to chat with other DG members at the concert to complete the snow concert challenge or quest in Heartopia game Winter Frost season event. Okay, let's get into it guys. As you can see, this is my mission or my quest right now. I need to use the coffee umbrella at the concert. And first of all, of course, you need to attend the concert. And you can check the concert availability right here. I'm going to go to this fashion activity. And now the snow concert is available. But it ends in about 13 minutes. So I'm going to immediately go to the concert, go to the Winter Utopia, and use this portal to teleport to the concert. And in the concert, we're going to use the coffee umbrella to complete the quest or the mission. Okay, wait. I'm still teleporting. Okay, and at the concert, guys, you're going to find a coffee umbrella. This is the coffee umbrella. Okay, I'm going to join this coffee umbrella. Go to one of the coffee umbrellas here and click on this icon. Then you will be able to chat with the other DG members. Okay, I'm just going to click hello. Okay, and send. Okay, done. And finally, I have used the coffee umbrella. And once you're done, you can click on return. Okay guys, and that's how you can use the coffee umbrella at the snow concert in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!